In the previous video, we have discussed how we can listen to the state changes without rebuilding the UI. The changes we made in the previous video made our code little bit messy. To fix our code, we are going to take help of a widget from Bloc library, and the widget name is Bloc Consumer. So how this widget is going to help us? This widget can handle tasks of both builder and listener. So now there's no need of using two different widgets. Its constructor takes four properties: listen when, listener, build when, and builder. Now we can rename our block builder with the block consumer. Also, we can move listener code from here to here. Now we can remove the block listener. Also, there is no need of using debug print. Let me add const quickly. Right. So let me run the application. As you can see, everything is working flawlessly. If you want to learn more about Bloc and Flutter Advanced, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.